let's get folding.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Origamitopia. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this book.
I am so confused.
I'm just kidding. Today's episode is for all the book lovers out there. It's a paper bookmark. And this is how it works. It's really quick and really simple and easy. Let's get folding. Okay, this is a really easy one. And you can make it for your friends, your relatives. I'm making this one for my mom. I'm using a 6-inch square of origami paper. So let's take this corner and fold it up to the top. Then make a crease on the bottom. Now take this corner, fold it to the top again. Same thing on this side. Now unfold these two flaps and take this single flap, not the whole thing, just this single flap, fold it down right there. And this edge should hit the crease you made, both of them. Make a crease on the top. And now we're gonna put this back up. And now we're gonna tuck this inside to, you should have a pocket right here. And we're gonna tuck this flap inside the pocket, just like this. Then make a crease on the bottom and everywhere else. Now you're going to do the same thing with this side. Fold it up and tuck this flap inside that pocket. And there you have it, the paper bookmark. And this is how it works. See this pocket? You just take this one page, in the corner, and stick it inside. Oops. There we go. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Till next week, keep folding.